What is the definition of culture that I told you? Because we have talked about the definition of culture in the class. Heritage. It's typically heritage. Heritage passed on from one generation to another. That's culture. So tell me what all has been passed on to you by your ancestors. The first and foremost thing I will be talking about, values. The understanding about right and wrong. What is to be done and what is not to be done. Norms. Customs. They all are part of what? Values. Clear? So ordinarily when we use the word culture, we actually look at that, these values, the value system. The value system which stabilizes the society and maintains the normative stability in the society. But that's not everything. So what she said is also right. It's me only in the class who told you that your language is also a part of your heritage. Your language is also something which has been passed on to you by your ancestors, by your predecessors. The language you talk about, talk with the help of. Have you discovered that language? No. We have been given that language by the society. Right? You were just an infant when someone was talking to you, making you learn this particular language. You have also seen this. Whenever a new kid is born, the kid is brought to home, the kid is understanding nothing. But still people keep on talking to the kid. The kid keeps on making sound. They get fascinated with that sound and they keep on talking to the kid. And the kid also tries to respond, right? God knows what the kid is feeling. Right? So what's happening there? When you're talking to the kid is gradually trying to grasp the language. That's how the society gives you the language. Clear? So language is also something which is part of the culture, part of the heritage. Similarly, your food habit, your dressing style, everything is part of heritage only. I don't deny that. But ordinarily when we mention culture, we look at the normative value system.